Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use your points on Shein. So firstly, open Shein application on your mobile device. Now once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now you can search for any items you wish to purchase, or you can select any of the items given on your home page in order to proceed further. So in my case, I'm just gonna tap on this item and then tap on the option that says add to cart. After this, let's tap on the cart option at the top of the screen. Then make a selection on the product you wish to purchase. Then simply tap on the option of checkout. Now make sure that you have entered your shipping address and also you have selected your shipping method. Then choose a payment method according to your choice. Then if you scroll down below and then tap on this option of view more, you'll see this option of points. If you tap on it, you'll see your total points. And in my case, there are no points available in my account, so I won't be able to use it. So that's how simply you can use your points on Shein. So this is it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.